Good morning, children. Today we will do Grade 3rd EVS, Chapter 9, It's Raining. Chapter 9, It's Raining. Hard words. First hard words, plucks. P-L-U-C-K-S, plucks. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. R-I-P-E, ripe. T-A-S-T-Y, tasty. F-A-I-R, fair. W-H-I-T-E, white. G-R-E-Y, grey. B-L-A-C-K, black. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. S-W-A-N, swan. F-R-E-E-Z-E, freeze. P-O-U-R, pure. T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder. S-P-R-E-A-D-I-N-G, spreading. W-O-N-D-E-R, wonder. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R, disappear. These hard words you will write down in your notebook with the good handwriting as a CW, as a HW. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we will do Grade 3rd EVS, Chapter 9, It's Raining. Let's see. Appu ate bananas. It is a story about one elephant. Appu likes banana very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. What Appu is doing? What he loves much? Banana, and he eats banana from banana trees. One day he saw that banana trees were dropping. It had not rained for a long time. Now one day what happened? That banana tree, it was dropping. वो गिर गया था. So why it's dropping? Because had not rained for a long time. ज़्यादा दिनों से बारिश नहीं हुई थी. बहुत सा टाइम हो चुका था और बारिश नहीं हुई थी. Now what see? Let's see what happened. I must get water in my trunk, said Appu. What Appu thought? That I will fill water in my trunk. He started walking towards the river. वो कहाँ जाता है? रिवर की तरफ. Appu drank water till he was happy. What happened now? Appu drank water till he was happy. जब तक वो पानी पी के खुश नहीं हो जाता तब तक वो पानी पीता है. He bathed his body with the trunk. वो अपनी बॉडी से ट्रंक से नहा भी लेता है. What he did? He drank water also and bathed also with the use of trunk. Now, then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana tree. Now what he is doing? That he is filling his trunk with the water and carried water in his trunk and poured it on banana tree. वो जो banana tree है वो जो गिर गया है, झुक गया है, उसके पास जाके वो पानी डालता है. वहां जाके वो पानी डालता है. As soon as the banana trees got water, they came alive. Yes, जब banana tree को पानी मिल जाता है तब वो फिर से उगना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Now what Appu said? Appu said, from now I will get water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty bananas. Now what Appu said? After that you will give me tasty banana to eat. So that elephants, that name of the elephant is Appu, and he is giving water to banana tree. I hope you are understanding. Now let's see exercise of that page. Now, page 60, write in your textbook, how did Appu know that the banana tree needed water? उसको कैसे पता चलता है कि पानी चाहिए? Appu saw that banana tree were dropping. उसने क्या देखा? बनाना ट्री गिर गया है, झुक गया है. On seeing that the banana tree needed water, वो देख के उसको लगा कि उसको पानी की जरूरत है. Now, from where do the plants growing around your house to get water? At your around area, from where plants get water? So, most of the plants around my area get water from rain. उनको सबसे ज़्यादा पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? From rain. And some plants are watered by also us. हम क्या करते हैं? दूसरे जो plants है उसको हम पानी डालते हैं. So around our area and house, most of the water get from the rain. Now, Appu drank water from the river till he was happy. Have you seen animals drinking water? Where? Here. Have you seen any animals drinking water? Yes. Yes. I have seen many animals drinking water from rivers and ponds. Rivers, ponds. Have you ever given water to any animals? If yes, which animal? Have you given water to any animal? Yes, I have given water to a cow and dog. Some animals are not given water by anyone. From where do they drink water? Yes, some of the animals that we are not giving them water, but from where they are drinking? These animals drink water from rivers and ponds. So this exercise you will write down in your notebook. Now see, you read in the story that Appu watered the banana tree, but elephants don't water trees. Yes, elephants don't give water to trees. Then where do plants get water from? Plants को पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? Plants mostly get water from rain. उनको पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? Rain में से. When it's rain, plants seems to be a new look. जब बारिश गिरती है, जब रेन आती है, तब plants एक नए लगते हैं, हरे हरे और ग्रीन ग्रीन लगते हैं. So most of the plants get water from the rain only. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Thank you. Once again, good morning, children. Today we will do page 61, EVS, grade 3rd, clouds. We will do poem clouds. Have you seen clouds? Yes, we have seen clouds. So, here one poem about the clouds. Now see, it is imagination of poet. एक पोएट है जो पूरी अपनी इमेजिनेशन लगाता है बादल के ऊपर. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Yes, we have seen the different color of clouds. Fair and white, कभी वो white भी होते हैं, वो grey भी होते हैं, black भी होते हैं. And how they come? In a magic pack, जादुई पैक लेके आते हैं. Now see, elephants and horses, dogs and fawns. वो किस किस का shapes लेके आते हैं? Elephants, horses, dogs and fawns. Sometimes they look like a pair of swan. कभी कभी हमको ऐसा भी लगता है कि they are pair of swan. In a moments they come, in a moments they go. if we observe the clouds, in a moments they are passing and moments they come. तुरंत ही आते हैं और तुरंत ही चले जाते हैं. Sometimes they freeze and for a week they stay. What poet said that sometimes they freeze in a one place और पूरे एक वीक तक रहते हैं. And sometimes they disappear for many days. और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि they disappear for many days. कभी कभी वो आते ही नहीं, कितने दिन लग जाते हैं और बादल दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. Now what happened? Sometimes they pour means वो बारिश लाते हैं. Sometimes they thunder, वो बादल की आवाज, thunder. Spreading the colors, वो क्या दूसरा लेके आते हैं? Colors लेके आते हैं. In a rainbow of wonder, जो colors होते हैं. Have you seen the sky? In a rainy season, then sometimes you see the rainbow in the sky. So बादल दूसरा क्या लेके आते हैं? Colors and rainbow. Sometimes they hail, plating the ground, breaking the glass in a ringing chimneys. Now sometimes what happen that बादल इतना ज़्यादा गरजते हैं, इतनी ज़्यादा आवाज़ करते हैं, sometimes that ground also thundering, grounds भी हिल जाते हैं. Breaking the glass, जो बादल गरजने से वो इमेजिनेशन है कि ग्लास भी हिलने लगते हैं. So that poet said that clouds bring so many things for us. I hope you have understood this poem. Now let's see page number 62. Page 62. The poet saw many things in the clouds. Have you seen anything in the clouds? What? आपने क्लाउड्स में क्या क्या देखा है वो आपको लिखना है. What all do the clouds do? क्लाउड्स क्या क्या करता है. Have you seen a rainbow? When can you see a rainbow? आप रेनबो कब देखते हो? When it's rain, जब बारिश गिरती है तब हम रेनबो देख सकते हैं. How do you feel when it's rain? जब बारिश आती है तब आपको कैसी फीलिंग आती है? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sad? How do you feel? Apart from clouds, what do you see when it's rain? Apart from clouds, clouds के अलावा आप दूसरा क्या देखते हो? What happen when it's rain? जब बारिश आती है तब क्या होता है? Now it is one activity for you. When it's rain, making paper boats and floating there on the water. It's really fun, isn't it? Yes. So, dear students, you will make paper boat like this and paste in your notebook. Or when it's rain, you will put in the water. Okay. When it's rain, you will make a paper boat and play and paste in your notebook. Thank you. So here you will draw picture of rainy season. Here you will draw picture of rainy season. I hope you are clear with this exercise. All the answer I will give you in the worksheet. So from the worksheet you will write down in your notebook. Thank you.